Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode. So yeah, finally some good news. Apollo finally sent me the fast charger, arrived at last, because unfortunately even I encountered the issue of, this is their original charger that came with the City Pro Apollo 2022, and yes, it died after second charge. So we're gonna go open up this fast charger and see what is the weight dimension, and then we're gonna test it out how much it can charge in 1 hour. So let's go. And we're doing a weight test. It's actually 1.1 kilogram. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Oh my goodness, check this out. What a I'll tell you right away, the Apollo definitely got a big upgrade. They got grills everywhere, which is incredible. Let's do a 1 hour test. Right now my Apollo, since the last battery range test, which thanks everyone again for all the support. Time is 8 o'clock a.m. and we're actually left with 27% at 11 kilometer range. We have plugged in the charger itself, so you see it's blinking green for standby. Let's see how much it charged from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. But here it is. Right now we're at 59%. So if we calculate correctly, last time it was 27%. So it means it's almost like approximate 30% per hour charge, which is pretty incredible for that speed. One more thing, this thing is really hot right now, so make sure that this stay in the manual already. Put it in a well ventilated area, somewhere dry, but not too crazy hot or cold. But yeah, this is like, it's actually warmer than I thought, so just a heads up. This has been the Apollo fast charger, the unboxing and the charging test, plus how much it weighs. Any question, feel free to drop in a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!